People ask me why their baby is sneezing all the time. Well, newborn babies, they don't know how to blow their nose yet, and they can't pick it yet. So they have to get their boogies out that way. So it's totally normal for newborns to be sneezing. If you want to help cut down on the sneezing, you can do saline nose drops and a bulb sucker to suck them back out, and that'll clear their nose right up. Hiccups are also totally normal in the first several months of life. That's just their nervous system developing still, and it's really cute, so get some videos while you can. Coughing is not normal. So if your baby is coughing, if it's a true cough more than just clearing their throat after eating, you should call your doctor and get in and get them tested, because even minor colds in babies can be really serious.